Good evening, my family and friends and loyal subscribers to AAZ Slots. We're in front of Pharaoh's Fortune, a nice recreational game that I always love playing. Hopefully you do too. We got 110 in the machine, and we're gonna go ahead and do all lines, and we're gonna hit 75 and see how the Pharaoh's Fortune would be with AAZ Slots. Our main goal is try to get a bonus, which is 3 of these in the line. Oh, that's real good. That was $4 hit. Come on now, Pharaoh. Give it up. Our main goal is try to get that bonus. Get some free spins. There we go. Now here comes the difficulty. Which side do we choose? We get 3 free spins and a spin multiplier. Okay, well, let's see. Well, that helped me out so far. Okay, we got 8 free spins so far with 2 spin multipliers. Well, darn it. Could have been all right there. Well, we got 3 more spins remaining. And last one. I got $14 out of that one.
That's cool.
Well, that's pretty good. Well, let's go ahead and do max bet and see what they'll do in a no go less than 100. Got 3 more. And last one. Well, that should do it. Pharaoh's Fortune. You was good to AAZ slots. We enjoyed it. We had a bonus, and we had a good fun. So, for my viewers, if you haven't subscribed to AAZ slots, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up. That will help every time for the channel. And keep in touch. We'll have more videos on its way, and I'll also let you guys know we're getting close to 400 subscribers. Hopefully we'll try to get that by the end of the year, and then we'll have a good surprise with the 400 subscriber celebration. We've been on this channel, had this channel for a little less than 8 months, and it's been growing ever since we tried to go by subscribers, comments, requests, and we try to find the machines that you guys like, because this channel is for your entertainment. So tell your family and friends, let's try to get that 400 by the end of the year, and hopefully go all the way to 5. So take care now.